Hey everybody, today we're going to make survival bread. It's super easy. There's only 2 ingredients, flour and water, and people have been eating this bread for about 14,000 years. So first we're going to take a cup of flour, and then we're going to get about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of water. And we're just going to mix it with our hands. Now this is going to take a little while. We're probably going to be doing this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Don't add any more water, even if you think it needs it, because it doesn't. It's pretty sticky, but it'll be fine. I'm just gonna keep working it for 3 to 5 minutes. Eventually, you're gonna roll it into a dough like this, and we're gonna leave it and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, I'm back. It's been a half an hour, and I'm going to start rolling these out. You should turn your skillet on to about medium to low heat, so that it can heat up while we're rolling this out. You're gonna need a rolling pin, a little extra flour, and then something to roll it out on. So I'm just gonna add my flour right here. I have a pastry cloth. So your dough might still be a little bit sticky, that's okay. We're gonna add some flour to it when we roll it out. You're gonna take about a walnut size of this. You could do a little bigger if you want. Just depends on how big you want your little tortillas to turn out. So you're gonna just squeeze it, roll it. Now you can also press this out with your hands. You don't have to roll it out, but you wanna make it thin. I prefer to roll it. Of course, it wants to stick on my rolling pin a little bit. Add some flour to that. So this one looks kind of small, but that's all right. You can kind of see how it looks there. It's kind of nice and thin. I'm gonna roll out 3 more. Okay, we're gonna cook them now. This pan is all heated up. I'm not gonna put any oil on it. I'm just gonna use the dry pan. Okay, so you're gonna cook it in your skillet. First, you're gonna start with doing about 30 seconds on each side to seal the flatbread. And then you're just gonna keep flipping it every so often until it starts to brown on each side. Each side should start to have little light brown spots. If you wanna let it go a little further than that, you can. You can kind of have it go to the point where it looks a little bit charred on each side. If you like the way that tastes, it's up to you. You can do it however you want. But at the very least, you need to kind of flip it now and then you're gonna possibly have to start poking some holes in it with a toothpick like I do to help let some of the steam out. Otherwise it starts to puff up. I'm pressing it down here because those bubbles are just going to make it not cook very well. So you just need to keep pressing it to let the air sort of squish out. So here's the finished product. Delicious. I can't wait. All right, there they are, you guys. Here's the flatbread. Now, these are really good. You can put a pizza on these, you can put honey and peanut butter, you can put butter and just butter, you can put peanut butter and jelly, you can make a sandwich. These can be a base for a lot of things. You can eat them by yourself. You can actually tear them up and put them into soup if you want. So there's a lot of ways you can eat them. And they're really tasty, and you can have them anytime. And you can store flour and water pretty easily. So, all right, if you guys like content like this, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. I'd love to see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, I thought you might like to check out this video next. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time.